What's up, YouTube? So today we're going to be putting the tone rings on, at least the brackets. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's going to be a quick video. And this is on the Sterling 10.5 inch, and it's the 99 2004. And we're using 52 tooth tone rings. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's going to be a quick video. And there's two ways to do this. You can either run two of these brackets on each side. And you relocate your front tone ring sensor to the rear, and we're using the Artec Industries or Artec Enterprise, whatever it is, but we're using their brackets and their tone rings. So you can put two in the rear on each side, and then you eliminate your front ones, or you can put one on each side in the rear, and then you can buy the hub from Curry Industries. And I think it's $500 for both hubs, and then it just plugs right in, so you don't have to cut and put two in the rear to relocate your sensors by running extra wires. And that's what I ended up doing. I'm putting a sensor on each side in the rear, and then we're doing the hub in the front. So this just should be a pretty quick video. Alright, so first you want to get your passenger side. It says PS on it for passenger side. And then you're going to put it right here on the pinion side. And it goes like that. And you just get a Sharpie and you're going to mark out onto there. You just trace it out where you want to cut. And you're going to have to cut that out right there. And then you're probably going to have to cut into your brake shield. So we've already marked that out. And then we did that on the other side as well. Put a mark right there, and our bracket and stuff, marked it on here too. So we're gonna go ahead and cut that out. Alright, so now we're on the driver's side, and this is where we notched it. And the passenger side, I don't think it needs to be cut. So we put them on the front like that. It already has a groove in it. I'll show you guys that after I cut this. So we just put a little notch in it like that. Then we're going to test fit it, see what it looks like. to right there. You can see it doesn't really match up with that little keyed spot, so I'm just gonna take this to work, and I got a die grinder up there, and I'm just gonna clean this shroud thing out with it and get the hole look all pretty and stuff like that. But the other side already has a groove in it right here, so you don't need to cut anything. And then you just got to check it with that bracket. Alright, so I brought this back from work, and I just got a grinder in there, drilled that, grinded it out, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to put the brake and all that stuff back together. Alright, now once you got all that back together, if you look through here, that hole right there, that's where your ABS sensor goes through at, and then your tone rings on your hubs goes pretty much right up to it. I don't have the bearings in it, so it's going to sit funny, but it's going to go right in through there and just plug right up to it. And the way you get these tone rings on here, I gave this to my uncle. He's a machinist, and he just turned this down a little bit of the hub, and then just press that on there, and you press it to completely flush. And yep, that's pretty much it. But the bracket on the back of this, it's got a little nut like that, and I'm pretty sure it goes that way for you to screw it into. And then that's pretty much it.